As players immerse themselves in the vast digital landscape, the significance of gathering resources like diamonds looms large. They engage in earnest discussions about their equipment and strategic approaches, all crucial for navigating the upcoming trials. The tension builds, for they know that preparation is not just beneficial, it's essential for success. Equally vital is the act of cooking sustenance, such as potatoes, which are highlighted as a necessity for survival amidst the trials. Proper nourishment, it seems, is the lifeblood that sustains their health and vigor, ensuring they can endure the harsh challenges that lie ahead. With levity intertwined in their gameplay, players engage in light-hearted banter over their death counts, revealing the relentless challenges they confront. This shared humor acts as a glue, strengthening the camaraderie that binds the group even as they grapple with the game's difficulties. Amidst their preparations, the players underscore the necessity of establishing a respawn bed. Without this crucial safety net, the risk of losing progress and precious resources looms ominously over their exploration. Such strategic foresight could very well determine their fate in this treacherous environment. In a thrilling twist, as they exploit an unforeseen glitch, excitement surges through the group upon discovering diamonds. The stakes rise as they feel a desperate urgency to collect as many resources as possible, knowing full well that these opportunities are fleeting. A race against time before the glitch is patched. Yet, amidst this rush, they share an amusing conspiracy regarding the potential patching of the glitch, a whimsical notion of keeping it a secret from their friend Mac, who is known to be quite the fixer. This light-hearted plotting adds a layer of intrigue to their resource-gathering mission. As they delve deeper into the mining experience, players encounter a series of unforeseen challenges, from unexpected enemies to chaotic situations that heighten the thrill. These moments are not merely obstacles, they are the building blocks of memorable gaming experiences that will be recounted with laughter and disbelief. Throughout this tumultuous mining session, emotions run high, oscillating from joy to frustration. This emotional roller coaster is emblematic of competitive gaming, where triumph and despair often tread the same ground, creating a tapestry of feelings that players cannot help but experience. Team coordination emerges as a vital element as players plot their next moves together, showcasing the undeniable importance of teamwork. Each strategized plan reflects a collective effort to navigate the intricacies of the game and achieve their shared goals. In a tense turn of events, the players confront skeletons that threaten to overrun their efforts. The atmosphere thickens as discussions about survival strategies ignite, leading to expressions of frustration about the overwhelming number of foes that they must face together. As they gather crucial resources like copper, the importance of collecting items for upgrades shines through. Players reflect on the time and effort invested in acquiring these essentials, knowing that each piece contributes to their greater ambitions. In a moment of levity, one player stands up to deliver a rousing speech before drinking a potion aimed at enhancing their abilities. This playful act injects a dose of humor into the otherwise tense gameplay, reminding them all to enjoy the journey despite the stakes. The frenzy continues as players encounter a barrage of hostile creatures, from nimble baby zombies to lurking spiders. The situation spirals into chaos, compelling them to quickly devise new strategies to survive the relentless assault. As if the challenges weren't enough, the game introduces formidable enemies, known colloquially as big boys, who amplify the difficulty level significantly. Their presence elicits visible frustration among the players, who struggle to contend with these overwhelming forces. Amidst the chaos, players endeavor to gather resources and heal, highlighting the critical role of resource management in their survival gameplay. Balancing the need to secure materials while fending off attacks adds yet another layer of complexity to the already intense atmosphere. Yet, dread begins to creep in as skeletons emerge, posing significant threats and igniting panic within the group. Their collective frustration surfaces, encapsulating the unfairness of their precarious predicament, a reminder that danger lurks at every corner. Throughout their gaming adventure, players gather keys and various items, each collection representing a step closer to progression and a chance to find valuable loot. Despite the numerous hurdles, their determination remains steadfast as they push forward. The session serves as a vivid illustration of the emotional highs and lows inherent in gaming. From the thrill of discovery to the bitter disappointment of unmet expectations, these moments intertwine, creating a rich tapestry of experiences that players cherish. Disappointment washes over the group as they mourn the loss of valuable gear, like diamond helmets. Yet, amidst the sentiment of loss, nostalgia for the fun moments shared permeates their conversation, reminding them of the joy found in their journey together. The gameplay paints a vivid picture of moments filled with panic and teamwork. Players navigate challenges collectively, leveraging collaboration as they strategize to escape precarious situations, showcasing the strength of unity in the face of adversity. Despite the chaos, a sense of humor prevails as players find solace in joking about their misfortunes. This lighthearted banter underscores a profound truth. gaming, even when fraught with frustration, can foster deep friendships and shared laughter that echo long after the game is over.